first glance, you could be forgiven for mistaking the new Canon PowerShot G1X for its younger, less impressive brother, the PowerShot G12. The form factors are nearly identical. Both are on the chunky side, with only minor aesthetic updates to differentiate between the two. What sets the G1X apart is what it has under the hood and what it will do to your wallet. The sensor on the PowerShot G1X is big, as in really big. Currently, unless you're willing to spend more than $1,000, you won't find a larger sensor in a fixed lens camera. The size of the sensor adds more than just bragging rights, though. It produces some of the sharpest pictures we've seen. It aced our resolution tests. In fact, the image quality is so good, in some ways, it's comparable to a DSLR. While we're on the topic of image quality, we should probably also touch on color saturation. To be blunt, there's very little. The pictures, while incredibly sharp, aren't very vibrant at all and look to our eyes a tad washed out. Perhaps due to this camera's new sensor, the G1X does not capture the most accurate colors. This wouldn't matter to a beginner, but the prosumer target audience may notice skin tones looking less than realistic. The cost of the G1X is another sticking point. At $800, it isn't going to be something you just go out and pick up for the weekend barbecue. If you are willing to drop that kind of coin on a camera, you should also know that many DSLRs outperform the G1X at the same price point. However, if you don't want to have to deal with the hassle of an interchangeable lens camera and want something that can travel in your purse and take pics with amazing detail, the G1X will cost you under $1,000 and scratch that itch.